What's the meaning of armature? Armature. Armature.
Armature. Armature. Armature is a term used in various fields of engineering, such as electrical engineering and mechanical engineering. In electrical engineering, an armature refers to the rotating part of an electric motor or generator, while in mechanical engineering, it typically refers to a component that acts as a support for other parts. In both cases, the armature plays a crucial role in the functioning of the system, allowing for the conversion of energy from one form to another. Ultimately, the armature enables the device to perform its intended task efficiently and effectively.